When it comes to finding the best BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leader in the industry. With their expertise and experience in building information modeling, BIM, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the field. SCON Design is known for their commitment to delivering high-quality BIM services and solutions to their clients. Their team of skilled professionals is well-versed in the latest technologies and tools, ensuring that they can meet the unique needs of each project. Whether it's architectural design, construction documentation, or project coordination, SCON Design has the knowledge and capabilities to deliver exceptional results. One of the reasons why SCON Design is considered the best BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore is their strong focus on customer satisfaction. They understand that each client has specific requirements and objectives for their projects, and they strive to exceed expectations in every aspect. SCON Design works closely with their clients to understand their vision and goals, ensuring that the final BIM models align with their needs. Their attention to detail and commitment to delivering on time has earned them a reputation for excellence in the industry. SCON Design also sets itself apart from other BIM companies through their innovative approach. They are constantly exploring new technologies and techniques to enhance their BIM services. By staying up to date with the latest trends and advancements in the industry, SCON Design is able to provide cutting-edge solutions to their clients. Whether it's utilizing virtual reality for immersive walkthroughs or implementing advanced clash detection software, they are always looking for ways to improve efficiency and accuracy in their BIM processes. Another key factor that contributes to SCON Design being the best BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, is their extensive portfolio of successful projects. When it comes to finding the best BIM company in Marathahalli, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a leading player in the industry. With their expertise in building information modeling, BIM, and their commitment to delivering high-quality services, they have established themselves as a trusted name in the field. SCON Design has earned the reputation of being the best BIM company in Marathahalli due to their extensive experience and knowledge in the domain. They have a team of highly skilled professionals who are well-versed in the latest BIM technologies and industry standards. This enables them to provide innovative and efficient solutions to their clients, making them stand out from their competitors. One of the key factors that sets SCON Design apart is their focus on delivering top-notch quality in every project they undertake. They understand the importance of accuracy and precision in BIM modeling, and strive to ensure that every detail is captured with utmost precision. This attention to detail has earned them recognition as the best BIM company in